Hello viewers, today in my video I will show you how to insert 3D pictures in PowerPoint presentation. In any kind of classroom teaching or different trainings, supporting your PowerPoint presentation with different pictures, diagrams and videos will help you to retain the attention of your audiences. So, to make your PowerPoint presentation more engaging, having different kinds of pictures and diagrams which are highly related to the topic of your presentation is just highly advisable. So in this video, I will show you how to insert 3D pictures in PowerPoint presentation. To insert these 3D pictures and get the latest or modern pictures of any topic, you better have latest version of Microsoft Office like Microsoft Office 2021 or Microsoft Office 365. So in this kind of or latest version of Microsoft Office, you will be provided with different features, including the 3D models. When we say 3D models, we have two kinds of 3D models. The first one is just animated and the other one is just non-animated. These two kinds of pictures are different in terms of their movability characteristics. So in this video, I will show you both the non-animated and animated 3D pictures and the procedures that we follow to insert it in our PowerPoint presentation. So, to start inserting these pictures from your computer or from the online pictures, you must have internet connection and uh, latest version of Microsoft Office 365 and the 2021 version of Microsoft Office. So, to insert it, just first go to the Insert tab. Then here you'll find different things like shapes, icons, charts, smart art, and so on 3D models. So our point is just on 3D models, and we will go to the 3D model options here. When you click here, just you'll get two options, meaning you can insert the image or the pictures from either from your device if you have it in the form of file, or you can look for different pictures from the online websites, typically the stock 3D models website. So I will show you how to insert from this online website. Click on it. Yes. So here we have different categories of these pictures. That means if we are in the area of education, health, technology, um, natural science, and so on and so on. So we do have different options almost in every fields of specialization or areas of presentation. We can have topics which are related to our presentation. So for our purpose, and beside that, here as I have said, the two types of 3D models are already presented. Look, for example, here, these three categories, they have an icon which is like a running man here. So this indicates that these pictures or the pictures that you found in these three categories are just animated, meaning they do have a moving characteristics, and the others do not have such this icon. So these are the non-animated pictures, or they do not have a moving characteristics. Let me show you just how these pictures looks like. Let's say, for example, here in health area, we may find this picture like so you can select the topic or the picture that goes with the topic of your presentation. Let's say, for example, I may teach about, or the training may be about different tablets, so I can take this picture. So these are the non-animated pictures because they do not have the moving characteristics. So when you are inserting about the topics that you are presenting with these 3D models, it has the potential to make your PowerPoint, your presentation more interactive and more engaging because you'll make it more concrete. So this is a way how we can insert the non-animated pictures. Next, let me show you just the animated 3D pictures, meaning a picture which has a moving characteristics. Similarly, go to the Insert tab. Go to 3D models and stock 3D models. So here I have three options: all animated models, animated animals, animated for education, and so on. So you can go where the location that you may think your picture will be, the picture that you want will be found. So for our purpose, let me show you how to insert from this category. I have different pictures here. So I can just select the picture which matches with my presentation. Let's say, for example, I am just presenting about dinosaurs. Here it comes. Now you can resize the pictures by dragging the points which are found here. And now you are looking this picture. It is just moving or running. It is animated pictures, and you are looking from the front side. Now you can change the view or the side view, or from which perspective, from which dimension you want this picture to be watched. Just to change the dimension of this picture, just go to the options that we have here. Like when I click on this, just it will be side move, the top from the behind, and again and again. So from each dimension, since it is the characteristics of 3D models, we can just look the picture from all sides of that object. So let me take it like this. And even at the same time, you may want to show or to portray this picture from two different sides. Now you can duplicate this picture like by pressing Control and the D. Now we have two pictures, and you can change the direction of the dimension of this picture. Like I may want like this, or the front sides. So by changing the dimension from where the picture can be just shown, you can just adjust for your presentation. So this is a way how we can insert non-animated and animated 3D pictures in our PowerPoint presentation. And this is what I have. I thank you very much. Stay watching my videos, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share the videos that I am posting. Thank you very much.